trading exchange. So what I'm going to tell you about is a little bit about how the exchange works, how the exchange operates, and a little bit about our contracts, just to get a better idea of what actually happens when people do, when they buy, when they sell, what actually happens within the actual exchange. There we go. So what is CME Group? CME Group is made of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the Chicago Board of Trade, NYMEX, and COMEX. And what is the purpose of the exchange? One of the biggest purposes is price discovery. So if people talk about what is the value of a bushel of corn, you can look at the exchange, see what it's trading at, and you know approximately what is the value of a bushel of corn. If you want to know when people talk about the value of crude oil, that's how they find it. It's when buyers and sellers come together. And it can be discovered by anybody, as we're hearing. Another important key thing to look at is risk management. We become the buyer and the seller to every trade. So in effect, if a company goes down, we're going to be there to support. So we're looking at this. If you, let's say, the two of us decided to have a deal. You're the buyer and I'm the seller, but all of a sudden I'm reading some news about your company in the newspaper, and you might not be around. Times are tough these days. So the deal is, if you default, that's a big problem for me, because in exchange I've worked out deals with my customers, and so at CME Group we become the central counterparty. We are there in the case of default. As you probably heard in the media recently, right now we're dealing with the whole MF Global, and even though, and it's totally unprecedented what has happened, but on Friday we said that we'll step up $300 million to help secure the money as a security so that the funds can be released back into the customer's account. That's what we're there for. We're there to back you up. Other benefits of the exchange, price transparency. If all of us are doing deals together, if all of us are doing deals separately, nobody's quite sure where the price is at. But anybody around the world can actually pull up on our website, look on the trading screens, and they know what the price is. They know the price of a bushel of wheat. And then there's anonymous matching. So if you're needing to buy a lot, you can do that anonymously. People don't, you don't have to share what you're trying to do. If there's a successful trader, nobody's going to say, hey, they're buying, I want to buy it too. You can do it anonymously.